Virtual cockpit.
Yes.
Or is that what it's called? Virtual
Yes.
cockpit? Yeah.
They got the cock in there. They didn't just
Of course.
say virtual.
All right, here's the S5. It's a Sportback. It sucks, but you know, this is the one. It's got the red guts. Ugh. If it was a coupe, I would probably trade my car in right now. Not gonna lie. It's a pretty decent price too. It's got that massive ass crack in the windshield. Carbon fiber everywhere. Look at that. Nice weave. I'm about to start it. Hold on, wait. I got another mic. Wow. This sounds better than my car, and I got fucking downpipe X-pipe. Yeah. This is nice. What? What the fuck? Why does it sound that good? I fear I'm gonna get a B9. Yeah. I think I'm gonna do it.
This Turbo 6 is real nice.
I'm gonna do it. No! Yo,
We're gonna
I think I'm gonna
keep that out for the video.
turn that heat up. Need my heated seats. AC. Oh my god. Dude, this is fucking. What I really like is that, y'all. Like,
Virtual cockpit.
yes.
Or is that what it's called? Virtual
Yes.
cockpit? Yeah.
They got the cock in there. They didn't just
Of course.
say virtual.
Of
you
course.
know, something.
See, the thing that I miss about God, what was it? It was the old
What, the A6s,
let's say it
the
was-
S3s
yeah,
and stuff.
yeah,
they
where it
flip
goes
down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have a real nice clean.
They
cruise
left
cluster.
everything there too for it to happen.
Yeah, like you could, but you didn't. You just were like, "Heh, iPad."
Like, y'all, these seats, like the red guts, just insane.
I don't know what that is.
What?
Probably just some shit.
And the camera quality is 10 times better. You got the 3D, the 360 camera. Oh my lord. It's just, I've never been passenger in an Audi.
Really?
Yeah.
No, the front is disgusting.
Oh, it has a front camera?
Yeah. That's PDC.
Holy shit.
Oh, it's got the automatic parking.
Yeah. Well, I mean, is this a Prestige?
Yes. I think
Okay,
it is.
that's why it has everything. I can only afford a Premium Plus. G80 plug. Y'all, what the fuck? I know that these things have crazy turbo lag stock,
Yes. Oh my god, it's
but
horrible.
once you tune it, it's basically like deleted.
It's horrible stock. Like I stomped it from about 2.5 the other
Yeah.
day. And it's just.
Jesus. It's got the no way. A stock exhaust is like got some pop to it, dude. I might say
For sure.
all right, so the turbo lag is real on this thing. Holy, I don't know why Audi got away with that. Insane, y'all. Insane. I love the B9. B8.5 is cool and all. It's timeless. But I'm a tech man and I need it.
I need a B8.5 RS5 in my life.
All right, here comes.
It needs to warm up just a hair more.
Oh yeah. I like this transmission better than my DSG, for sure.
It's still playing quick.
Yeah, dual launch control.
Oh, does this have
Yeah.
launch control?
You go traction off, dynamic.
Yep, and
You gotta
dynamic.
hold traction for like 5 seconds. All right, yep, it's off.
There we go. Then
Yep, sport. Foot on the brake all the way down.
We're in sport, so
Yeah. Oh. It's spinning.
Okay.
It's spinning. What?
Okay.
Oh my god, that's not as violent as mine, but like, holy, I like that.
I'm surprised by that.
Yeah, it spun the whole time. I mean, it's cold, but like, I didn't even know this road existed. I'm gonna do some shit down here.
Oh yeah, dude. This is the road I come down to do all my shit. And then back there, I mean, it's sketchy, but there's a twisty section back there that you can go down. It's really sketchy. You don't want to get too crazy down there, but
Yeah.
you can definitely do some shit.
Okay,
And I'm pretty sure we left tire marks down there.
somewhere. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, there's a
Holy
shit!
Holy fuck!
No way!
Yeah, this thing spun for a minute.
Yeah. Holy shit. Yep, I can see exactly where. Oh yeah.
Yeah. And then you want to know what's back here?
What?
Around the last corner, real quick.
Oh yeah, my B8.5 is at least 20% stiffer than this.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you stock suspension?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's just the chassis.
Yeah. It's also because they extended this one a little bit anyways.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's a lot of body roll in this.
Oh yeah. It moves around quite a lot, but
Mhm.
I kind of like that personally.
Gives it some character.
Yeah, it gives it. You can kind of tell what's going on.
Yeah.
There's rattles everything in here too.
What did the person who traded this in? Who traded? What did they trade it in for? Do you know?
Dude, I'm gonna be honest with you. I was out when this got traded in, so I didn't really pay attention.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, bro. Yeah. I love the B9. I definitely have to go fucking coilovers for this stuff. I do not like the way the suspension feels.
Yeah, it's a little bit. I noticed even right now we're in comfort mode. It's a little bit too stiff right now because it's responding and translating a lot.
Yeah, for the B8, you go from dynamic to comfort like that. It gets stiff to, softer than a wet spaghetti noodle in the middle of
Salty, tender, wet.